Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Mursyid bin Muhammad Shukri. My matric number is 200379.
Assalamualaikum, and my name is Abdullah Hakimi bin Ain, and my matric number is 200695.
Okay, and the topic for our presentation today is therapeutic regression. Before we go further, I would like to ask something for us to think about. Have we ever known someone with this ability losing their hope or barely holding on in their life? Or have we ourselves ever caught, or have we ever caught ourselves in the moments where it feels like everything is falling apart? We talk or share our problems with someone, but at the end of the day, it barely changed anything. I think maybe it's time for us to try a different kind of treatment, which is what we are presenting today, therapeutic regression. Okay, what is therapeutic regression? Therapeutic regression is a kind of therapy which practice systematic process that utilize regression and other activity-based intervention for the recovery of psychological and physical health of an individual with illness or disabling conditions. They are somehow different with normal kind of regressions or therapy because they use regression activities for the recovery of the specific disabilities of their patients, also with the advice from the medical doctor. Okay, next.
So, for the main objective of this therapeutic recreation is these activities can reduce depression among the patient, and it also can help to build the confidence while the patient being socialized in the community. And lastly, it can improve the physical condition of the patient. Next, these are some example of therapeutic activities. As we can see here, playing basketball, painting, planting, uh, swimming, and also group discussion or activities. Next, we'll move on to the benefits of the therapeutic activities. So, therapeutic activities can actually improve social health. Uh, Recreational therapy or therapeutic recreation not only focus on individual activities and usually involve a group of people. While during while during the activities, the patient definitely will be communicate each other throughout various ways. This will help them to improve their communication skill gradually. They will learn how to ask for opinion and react for it. Uh, Next, these activities also can increase the result can these activities also can increase interpersonal skills where they will be verbally good and can understand well when they are in conversation. Their attitude during the conversation also will be much better, that they will learn to be present all the time in the conversation by nodding or something like that. And after that, when they are always communicating, they will develop a confidence in themselves and when socialized. At first, maybe it's hard for them to brace up themselves to speak confidently, but eventually they can do it, and they can talk calmly and casually when in conversation. Next.
Okay, next, we will go through the benefits for the physical health of the therapeutic regressions. The therapeutic regressions generally can increase body strength and endurance of the patients. Even simple activities such as gardening require the usage of our forelimb muscles. Besides of that, we also can enhance our immune systems, because when we move our body parts, it can help the circulations of the limbs that is possible for our immunity to become more efficient. Those activities also can build up our stamina, which helps to boost up the energy levels and regulates the blood pressure in our body. And lastly, of course, after having a tiring day from doing those activities, we can have a very deep quality sleep in the night. Okay, so we have explained what is therapeutic recreation therapy, and also we already give some example or the benefits that we can obtain from the activities itself. So I'm sure that therapeutic recreation is a great ways for us to reduce, it's a great kind of treatment for us to try. So that's all from us. Thank you.
You.